Okay, cool. He's enough. That's one of these little things. I'm not joking.
No way.
There's the biggest
I've never seen such a... Oh, he's going to come in the car, look at him.
But he's fucking up this car. Come here quickly.
No. Oh my god, there goes the car.
See me reverse.
No, but just shut up, man. You're in the midst of show. He's going to fuck this car up.
Is anyone behind me?
I know where your cars are.
Just, as you come out
As
the
you
cab,
come
take
out
a right.
But
But let's go see a bit more camera. Go there, you've got to wait out there, yeah?
Can I go there? Yeah.
You've got to wait out there.
you don't understand. This
Go past the ablution blocks and second campsite on the right before the entrance. Come here. He's got his trunk in the car. In the Oaks car. Look at this oak.
Yes.
Can you see us, guys?
I've never seen it together.
But you said come towards the, entrance. So we came to the entrance and...
Don't go, no, they've gone too
We
far,
are-
they've gone too far, they've gone too far.
You've gone too far. Turn around and come as you come back this way. First camp on the left. Or second camp on the left.
Wait, what? Chick, you got the coke.
What has he got in his mouth?
Be careful, eh?
Stay in the car, don't get out, eh?
This one's just taken a 6-pack of Black Label and he's going him in his mouth.
Where is Simeon? Are you
Okay.
before the ablution
No,
block?
you're coming up, come up.
Come. Oh my God, he's just
bit Black Label bottle.
he just split a Black Label bottle.
Isn't it hurt you?
Surely that'll fuck him up.
Where is his ice from?
Shay, must be sore, man.
Yeah, it's glass. There you go. But I've never seen such a big elephant. Check where these oaks are camping now, under the trees. Base camp, well done, Simeon.
Yeah.
Giddy? Giddy, I wouldn't put Giddy in his mouth.
Good.
You attack a vehicle or you just
He was leaving his...
No, he was fucking
digging to the campsite?
His trunk was in the vehicle and now he's coming to us. But he broke all those beers. He put them in his mouth, he broke them and he spat them out. Okay, yeah, he's coming for us.
It's fine, he's chill.
He's a big fucker.
He's chill, this thing. This oak's chill.
He's like a big elephant.
He's a boykie, but he's so small the car look underneath.